Welcome to day 5 of our 60 days Excel Mastery Challenge. Today, we'll be looking at how to use Format Painter in Excel to make our work productive. So the Format Painter allows you to copy formatting from one cell and apply it to another cell. It is used for maintaining consistency in formatting across multiple cells or ranges without manually adjusting each one. So we have 3 key features that we'll be looking at. The first will be copying various formatting attributes, including fonts, styles, colors, borders, and number formats. Okay, so let's see how that works. You see how the name cell here is formatted. Instead of us doing the formatting individually, let's say we had applied the formatting here. The formatting means how we apply the color, the font type, and names here being formatted to white, right? We can easily copy this formatting across these cells by doing the following. Start by clicking to highlight the cell you want to copy the formatting from. Click on the Format Painter icon here under the Home tab. Then you can apply the formatting to wherever you want to apply it by just clicking to drop the formatting there. You can also format numbers. Let's say you have dates in these formats, right? In these other formats, but you want these day, month, and year format. So what you do is that you highlight this cell with the format you want to copy, click on Format Painter here, and then click on the cells you want to take the formatting to. So you see it has been implemented here. On this one as well, you can see that if we want to highlight females now, we want all the females here to be highlighted. We want to copy this formatting as well. So we can click to highlight where we want to copy the formatting from, click on the Format Painter, and now drop it where we want to apply it. Okay. The second key feature I want to show us is that we can basically apply Format Painter to ranges as well. Okay. That is to say, you see this name here, the font style, right? If this is the font style I want to copy across, I can easily click to highlight the cell, click on Format Painter, then click, hold, and drag to cover where I want to apply it. You see it has been applied. In this case, if I want to just apply everything here, what I'll do is that I can click to copy the formatting on class, right? Click Format Painter, then click, hold, and drag to copy it across. So you see I've copied it across, okay? Now, thirdly, I will use the double-clicking method. Assuming, like in this case now, if you notice this, I cannot drag this to cover this range because my intention will be to highlight just the females and not the males, okay? So what I can do is to click where I want to copy the formatting from, then go to Format Painter, double-click on Format Painter. Why I double-click on Format Painter is that it will allow me click more than once, right? Instead of clicking every time, dropping the Format Painter and going to copy again, clicking on Format Painter, I can easily just double-click on Format Painter and then use it wherever I want to drop the formatting, okay? So when I'm done, I will make sure I go and click on the Format Painter to put it off, right? Or just press Escape on your keyboard. Painter can also be applied to illustrations. Let's say we inserted an illustration, right? I just set a simple illustration to buttress this point. We inserted an illustration, we gave it this shape color and removed the shape outline, right? And I want to enter another one, okay? So I want to make it the same color. Instead of going over the process again, giving it a color, remove the outline, I could just click on the shape, go to my Home tab, click on Format Painter, and now drop it on the shape. You see that we have the same results, okay? So that is how we use Format Painter in Excel. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to get notified as we upload our videos throughout this 60 days challenge.